I got a quick conclusion from this video. And that is, do never, ever underestimate nature. Hello my dear 6 subscribers. Yes, we are 6. We're kind of 3 actually, because one is a very good friend of mine who I beg him to subscribe to my channel, and the other 2 are my sisters, so yeah, it's a growing channel, you know. We are today in a completely different place. This is my home city, Santiago, and I'm in a hill which is right behind my house. I'm gonna show you around. Hopefully we can take a great image. And it's a weird day today, because it happens to be cloudy, which here almost never happens, really. This is the most dry city in the world. No, of course not. You can have something in the Sahara Desert, I guess. Anyway, we have clouds, and I am excited about that. It was supposed to rain, of course. It did not rain. But the clouds, they always help to make a nice contrast. I want to do something. As you may see, Santiago is completely surrounded by the Andes Mountains behind me. And what happens is that almost from wherever you see, in whatever place of the city that you are, you will see either a hill or the Andes Mountains. So that makes it perfectly, really amazing place to shoot photographs. It creates the whole mix, the contrast between the city and the hills. I must say one thing. 2 things actually. The first one, some of you might have noticed that my left leg, it is shaved. Well, it is not shaved anymore, but it was shaved. But it still looks shaved compared to this one. I mean, if you put them side to side, the left one looks like a just born baby. Now, I'm not even sure why I was saying that. But what I do want to say is that I'm lost. Yeah, I really am. I don't know, where am I? But this looks great. I mean, I have never seen these trees. I think that I am somebody that has made a lot of trekkings, really. 1 week trekkings in the mountains, in between forests, whatever. And if I can give you just one little advice, is to never underestimate nature. Now, it is, I think, half 40 minutes until it gets dark, and I've been walking for about 30-40 minutes. The fact that I'm so exhausted is because I haven't walked long distances in about 2 months. So if in 15 minutes I don't see a good picture, I'll just leave, because that is being mature instead of reckless. And there's a really small difference, no, really small line in between those two, but a big difference in between them. So 15 minutes by clock, otherwise going home. The sand The earth is so dry that it is fully slippery. Look at this. Look at my heels. I'm honestly not sure if I'm far or I'm close. It looks I'm, of course, getting closer. But how much is left? That is the question. I'm finally seeing the city right there. It's just behind. I'm not sure you can see it, but I'm trying to get closer to the top. But look at this, look at my legs. How are they? How sleepy. I have a feeling that right after this I'll have a nice... Oh, look at that! Woo! Look at this break that I'm just standing up by. Oh, okay, we'll go. I'm gonna take the picture here and then I'm moving down. Okay, I'm fully set. I will be taking this picture 25th of a second, f9, ISO 100. Sadly, the sun is covered too, so there isn't so much light in the clouds. As you can see, it looks very flat. But I think that I will still have a nice picture here. Yeah, I think that will do. Okay, time to go down quickly, but safety. Safety. This is ridiculously dry. It makes so hard to go down. Crap. I almost fell. Woo! Almost fell once again. Woo! Oh, I can't even stand up. I got a quick conclusion from this video. And that is, do never, ever underestimate nature. I am completely lost and I arrived to a private property, which is a huge mess. But there is this crappy car, which I'm going to take a picture of it. Let's get out of here. Have some good and bad news. Good ones are that I found a car in the middle of nowhere, and it has had this sort of Breaking Bad style, which I love, really, I love. The bad one is that I'm lost. I think why you understand this picture is called never underestimate nature. Look at my hands, my feet aren't better, and this is a very simple trekking that I completely underestimated. I have done it. I think I have climbed this hill about 30 times in my life, or even more times. But this is the first time I climbed it this way, or tried to climb it. I didn't know I got to the top. And because I was reckless, that I went without light, without water, without enough time, and I didn't know the path. I got completely lost. And I got completely lost. This time I was lucky. Next time, who knows?